Trying to organize that small closet in your house or apartment can be a pain, especially if you have not done it before. I'm going to tell you some things that will help you start and finish that process. One, when you go in, realize that you need to maximize the space in your closet. And that doesn't mean take it to the maximum capacity. How many shirts do you actually need? How many pairs of pants or dresses or whatever shoes do you actually need? Is there anything in this closet I haven't worn in a long time? Anything in this closet I can just throw away that I know I'm never going to use? Now, another advantage could be that when you get rid of that stuff, say clothes or whatever it is, if you had too many and it took you a long time to decide on what to wear when you went to your closet because you're looking all the way through it and you just couldn't decide, when you have less clothes, you have less options to go through. So that's going to make the decision-making process faster because you just don't have as many options. Now, something else to think about is, can you take some of this stuff within your closet and put it into other things to help with the organization outside of your closet? Like, for instance, you have shoes strewn all over the bottom of your closet. They are taking up a lot of space. You get a shoe rack, you put it outside your closet, you put the shoes on there, they're organized, and they're not taking that space anymore. Even if you have a shoe rack inside of your closet, it's still going to help because you're going to have those shoes in an organized fashion and they are going to take up less space in that way as well. And here's something else that's really good to do. Have under the bed storage. You can get these under the bed storage bins, put your clothes in there, winter clothes, summer clothes, whatever, and that's going to eliminate those clothes outside of your closet and make more space. And if it's not what you want, you can see that and then you can put it back and then continue on trying to find the thing that you're actually looking for. Now, another thing that will help is having specific areas for specific things. Shirts on the left, pants on the right. Up top on the shelf is going to be board games I never play. And the reason you do this is because it's going to be much easier to remember where things are. Instead of having to remember where that Hawaiian shirt was that you bought like 20 years ago and you know it's still inside your closet, but now you're actually going on a cruise and you can finally use it. You don't have to search around for it. You'll know, hey, it's in the shirt section somewhere. I know that if I go there, I will definitely find it. Now, another thing that is a must is getting some kind of dividers. You can get dividers for shelves. You can get dividers just for sections of clothes. And the reason these are good because it creates a boundary. So you automatically know by looking at it, okay, this section stops here, this section starts here, and up there is like 3 different sections. So I know up there are only those 3 different types of items. Now, here's some hanger hacks for you to help you organize your small closet. One, you can get space-saving hangers. These are slimmer hangers that allow you to hang things and take up less space. They also might have levels where you can hang different clothes on different levels of the hanger, which is also cool because it gives you more options for that. Another thing that you can do is make sure you get all your hangers in one style, one size, because then you know exactly how much space that thing is going to take up. And so it's going to let you stay more uniform, more organized, and you don't want to have wire hangers and then these other kind of hangers and trying to figure out which hanger goes with which. Have you ever tried to pull wire hangers apart? They get clumped together and then you're trying to figure out how to get them apart, and you pull one and it doesn't come apart. And then it's worse if it's on the actual bar inside the closet, because now you're trying to pull an item out and it's stuck between all these wire hangers and you cannot get it out. It is frustrating to no end. So I would just say get rid of all wire hangers. It will make your life easier. It will help you not have the frustration. Also, you can use hangers in this way as well. You can have them one color if you want to do that, or you can get them in different colors, and different colors mean different things. Maybe all your work clothes are on blue. Maybe all your clothes where you go and play sports or go to the gym are on green. Maybe all your just relaxed casual clothes are on yellow, something like that. And speaking of hanging up things, use hooks to create extra space for you to organize. Like get adhesive hooks put on the back of your door that we can hang up book bags, hats, purses, whatever you want to hang on the back of your door. You can put them on the wall inside your closet, and that's another way that hooks are going to be able to give you another place to put things and help keep them organized, and then create more space inside of your closet. Now, another good thing for you to do is use labels inside of your closet. You have a shelf, you put a label on there, you automatically know by looking at the label what is on top of that shelf. Or you have a drawer inside of your closet that you want to know what's in there, you put a label on there, automatically know without opening it up what is in the drawer, and it's going to make things so you can just look at it and see, not having to search around for it, and help you remember where things are. And so then you get accustomed to it. Maybe you don't need the labels later after you figure out, okay, I know what's up there, I know where this goes and that goes. And think about this, you don't even have to write on the label. If you have different colors that mean different things, you can just put yellow, green, red, or whatever, and immediately as you see the color of that thing, you know exactly what is in there. Now, of course, you have to remember what thing is associated with what color, but after a while, you will get used to that and automatically remember, hey, green means this, red means this, yellow means this item. Now, another thing to think about is have a hamper outside of your closet. It helps you have a place to put dirty clothes conveniently, so you don't have to walk all the way to the laundry room. You just have it there already, and then when you're ready to actually do that laundry, you can take it there. And if you're always in a rush and you leave your clothes on the floor or on the bed, this gives you a place that's convenient for you to put them, and so it's going to help keep your room organized better as well. Now, another thing that will help is having the 1 in, 1 out rule. What this means is when you want to put something in your closet, you take another thing out, and this is going to help keep the clutter down within your closet, so you don't have so many items in your closet and you keep your closet organized. Now, this video helps to make your closet more ADHD friendly, but you can also make your home more ADHD friendly as well. And I did a video on that and you can watch it right here.